Hi there, my name is Pucci. My channel is Casa Di Pucci. Welcome to my channel. I make videos in English and in Portuguese. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a speck. It's a prosciutto and I cure, I smoke it and I maturate it in my curing chamber for 2 months. Speck coming up. To make the speck, you're gonna need the ham. This one is not the whole ham, it's just half. It's the bottom part of the ham over here going to the leg. To make the speck, I'm gonna cut close to the bone, open up, and then I'm gonna cure. I'm gonna put a salt around, cure and maturate. Let's go open up. I separate. I'm gonna use the 2 big mussels. Now I'm gonna weight each one to calculate the curing blend. I'm gonna use salt, curing salt number 2, and black pepper. That's it. Here's the 2 mussels. I'm gonna place in the fridge for 10 days to 2 weeks. Every 1 or 2 days I'm gonna turn around, massage. After the curing is done, I'm gonna wash in running water, cold running water. I'm gonna cold smoke for a few hours, and then I'm gonna place in the maturation chamber until they lose around 40% of the original weight. Let's go. Another step, now I'm gonna wash to remove the curing, and was in the fridge for 1 week. Okay, I wash it, I dry it, and now I'm gonna keep in the fridge until tomorrow. And tomorrow I'm gonna cold smoke for 4 to 5 hours. Now I'm gonna prepare the speck for the cold smoking. I'm gonna place a little net around and place in the smoker, cold smoke. For cold smoking, to generate smoke, I'm gonna use sawdust. I'm gonna place that in the microwave for around 2 minutes. Every 30 seconds I'm gonna turn around. The reason I do that is just to dry out, and then I'm gonna put in this metal mesh. I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna lid and place inside the smoker. I have a master built electric smoker, but the smoker will not be on. I'm just gonna use as a fermentation chamber and place this inside. Hi there, I'm back now to try my speck. Speck is the fresh ham that was cured, then I smoked it, cold smoke, and then I put in my curing chamber for the maturation, and was finished when it loses 40%. When it lost 40%. Took 8 weeks. That's When I cut, that's the way it was. Over here is over dry on top, so I cut that part. I removed the skin and I use the meat slicer. I cut very thin. That's the best way to taste. It's perfect. It's awesome. It's so good. Thank you for watching this video. Again, I make videos in English and in Portuguese. Check my homepage on my YouTube channel. You're gonna see the playlists. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on my next video. High five. Piper? High five. Bye.